today is 9/27/24, and we can see the AC fan vibrating. There's probably a bad bearing in there. And when you turn off the AC, the noise goes away. Yep, vibration goes away. Let's get your mileage on your car. What, 152,000 miles. That's pretty good. And then our last 4 digits of our VIN is 1739. And then we're gonna change it with an O'Reilly part. It's like $350 with tax. It's like 300 something, 390. And so sounds like I have to take out this battery, the computer, all this, and then move everything back, pull out the module, the harnesses, all this, and then it'll be real tight to come out. And then put everything back, and hopefully we hope for the best.